Hey, guys, today I will collect a battery of electric bicycle for the 48th century. The battery will collect from the elements of 6,800 meters capacity. These batteries are larger than the elements 18,650. See what difference in size. For a battery of 48 volts, 13 cells are required. I will connect all cells with thermoclut. The battery collected will have this kind of look. BMS power wire and charger connector are also required to work. The battery is glued with thermoclutter and has this kind of look. All cells will be connected by nickel tape and point welding. I have prepared the nickel tape now to connect all the cells in a sequence. The battery will now be setting the BMS fee. The fee will be set at the minus battery output. We click on the battery insulation and then install the BMS controller. The blue wire was attached by the controller to the minus the battery. I will now spare balancing wires. All the balancing wires and the power connector are almost assembled. I check how the controller works to take the tester and measure the voltage. Voltage 46 volt battery is not charged. Quarter wire for the charger. All contacts and wires are closed by isolation. The battery is packed and we will charge it. Thank you for watching my videos, subscribing to the channel. All bye.